go.
Hi, Natalie. Oh, hi, Cassandra. What are you listening to? I'm listening to White Horse by Taylor Swift on my Taylor Swift Fearless CD. Cool. What's it about? I don't know. Do you know? You know, here, you can listen to it. Okay. I think I know what it's about. What? I think it's about Taylor had a boyfriend and she lost it and then she tried to get him back, but it didn't happen. It's okay now, we have to start the show. I totally forgot about that. Alright, today we're doing a special. We're going to be singing a song. White Horse. I'll go print off the computer. Computer became color coded. Ooh, well, okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Say you saw me, the face of an angel comes out just when you need it to. As I pace back and forth all this time, 'cause I honestly believed in you. Holding on, the day drag on. Stupid girl, I should've known. I'm not a princess, this ain't a fairy tale. I'm not the one who swept off her feet. Leader up the stairwell, this ain't Hollywood. This was a small town, there in the rear. Your mirror disappearing now. Now it's too late for you and your white horse to catch me now. Maybe I was naive, got lost in your eyes. I never really had a chance. My mistake, I didn't know to be in love. You had to fight to have the upper hand. I had so many dreams about you and me, happy ending. Well, I know I'm not a princess, this ain't a fairy tale. I'm not the one you say buffer feet. Lead her up the stairwell, this ain't Hollywood. This was a small town, there in the rearview mirror disappearing now. Now it's too late for you and your white horse to catch me now. Well, there you are on your knees, begging for forgiveness, begging for me, just like I always wanted, but I'm so sorry. I'm not your princess, this ain't a fairy tale. I'm not the one you scrape off her feet. Lead her up the stairwell, this ain't Hollywood. This is a small town, there in the rearview mirror disappearing now. Now it's too late for you and your white horse. Now it's too late for you and your white horse to catch me now. Whoa, try and catch me now. Oh, it's too late to catch me now. That was awesome.
Someone come here and tell me how to shut this.
We're not stopping it yet. Now let's do our you and me together dance. Oh, that's so awesome. Ready? Let's go. You and me together. Always by your side. No one can ever change it. Come on ahead and try. 'Cause it's you and me together. That's awesome. Now let's introduce ourselves to the cameraman. This is Brian, Cassandra's big brother, and he's really annoying and stupid.
There's my idiotic sister and her friend.
Well, there's his idiotic sister's idiotic friend. I'm not idiotic! Oh! I'm okay. real friend. I mean, you ever find me idiotic? Yes, Bluebeard. Wait, I want to do something.
Well, that was...
Beautiful, I know. Okay, me, I want to show you a dance. I was like... I pooped. I'm pooped. Me too. I gotta go. Oh, sorry, I already went. Too late. Since this is our first show, we're all, do you want to go around?
Do you guys want to go around the house and introduce everyone?
Let's go introduce you to my family.
Follow us.
You already met my big brother. That's idiotic big brother. That's my little sister. That's my family.
Yeah,
Let's go
I'm
introduce
saying over at Santa's house.
Come on.
I know.
Can you climb over this camera?
I'm saying, no, let's go.
Okay.
I'll get some. Let's go see Becca. I'm gonna see. She's our baby sister. Say hi. Let's go see Dad.
Mom, how do you stop this thing?
Okay, let's not go see Dad. Now, Caitlin.
Mom, how do we stop this?
We just press the again.
And over here.